Hello viewers, welcome to ICSC Board Class 10 Physics Numericals 8.2, and we are solving numericals from Ohm's law, electric current and resistance. Let us go to the second part of the numericals related to the parallel and series connections. Example number 1, or you can say practice problem number 1, that is given the mixture of two connections. In part A to B there is parallel connection, and between AB to C there is a series connection. So first of all we'll see the parallel one. So here if you see the parallel, 6 ohm, 3 ohm and 2 ohms are in parallel connections, while 1 ohm is in series connection. So first of all we'll find out the resistance in the parallel circuit. So we'll see, we'll write as if that what I have written in the this slide. R1 is equal to 6 ohm, R2 is equal to 3 ohm, R3 is equal to 2 ohm, and it is connected with the another resistor of 1 ohm. We'll find out first of all the resistance in the parallel connection. So 1 upon Rp is equal to 1 upon R1 plus 1 upon R2 plus 1 upon R3 is equal to 1 upon 6 plus 1 upon 3 plus 1 upon 2. You get 6 upon 6. Therefore Rp is equal to 1 ohm. If Rp is equal to 1 ohm, which is then connected to the series connection, another, that is R4. So series connection Rs is equal to Rp plus R4, 1 ohm plus 1 ohm, that is going to give us 2 ohms. So this is how you do the problem number 1, practice problem 1. Then practice problem 1, question number 2. If you see the figure here this is a parallel connection, this is a parallel connection, and both of them are connected through a series. So first of all we'll find out the Rp of this section and Rp of this section, and then we'll add it because it is Rs. So we'll get, if you see, it is just the same sum like what we have done in the previous one. So first of all we find out Rp1. So this we are considering this as a Rp1, and this one we are considering as Rp. So first of all we'll find out Rp1. So let us see here. Let me zoom in. So we'll come to know. So 1 upon Rp is equal to 1 upon R1 plus 1 upon R2. So 1 upon 4 plus 1 upon 12, that is going to give me 1 upon 3. So Rp1 is 3 ohm. Rp2, 1 upon Rp is equal to 1 upon R3 plus 1 upon R4 plus 1 upon R5 is equal to 1 upon 12 plus 1 upon 24 plus 1 upon 8, that is going to give me 1 upon 4. Therefore Rp is equal to 4 ohms, that is Rp2. Both of them are in series, so you require to add both of them. So Rs is equal to 3 plus 4, that is 7 ohms. So this is the way you do the sum. You need to first of all find out which one is in parallel connection and which one is in series connection. Let us move on to the practice problem 2, number 1. So now here if you see, here it is bit some of the complicated part, but it is easy. So this from B to C and C to D and D to E, they are in series connection, and this one is in parallel connection. So first of all we'll find out the series of this one, then we'll do with the parallel, and then we'll find out the series of this one. So we'll do one by one. So first of all the series, 1 plus 2 plus 3 ohm. So 1 plus 2 plus 3 ohm is 6 ohm. So from here to here you get 6 ohm. Understood? Now this one between 6 ohm and this one is a parallel one. So 1 upon 6 plus 1 upon 3, that is going to give us 1 upon 2. So Rp of this one is 2 ohms. Now this one is in series, so you get 3 plus 2 plus 3. So 3 plus 3, 6 plus 2, 8. So you get 8 ohms. So this is the way you need to do the sum. So first of all you find out which are the resistors that are in parallel connection and which are the resistors that are in series connection. Then it becomes really easy. Now in this one, if you see here, then you will come to know this one is in series, this one is in parallel, this one is in series. Understood? So it is like this. So this one here 1 and 1, and then here and here one more resistor, one more resistor, and one. So these two are the top two ones, while this one is the middle one, and this one is the lower two. So first of all series, then series, all three are in parallel. So first of all we'll work it out with the series. So if you see here, 4 ohm plus 8 ohm, 12 ohms, 1.5 ohm and 4.5 ohm, that is going to give you how much? 6 ohms. Now 12 ohm, 3 ohm and 6 ohm, all of them are in parallel. So 1 upon 12 plus 1 upon 3 plus 1 upon 6, that is our parallel connection, or you can say parallel circuit. So how much it comes up? 7 upon 12. So Rp is equal to 12 upon 7, therefore Rp is equal to 1.71 ohms. So that's the thing in this one, that you require to find out the connections which are in series and connections which are in parallel. So first of all, you require to find out whether they are in series or not. So if you find out it is in series, then add, and if it is in parallel, then take the ratio. So 1 upon Rp is equal to 1 upon R1 plus 1 upon R2, and then again if it is in series, then add together. Let us work out for the practice problem 3, where you are going to find out the resistance of the unknown resistor. So here if you see, these three are given in series, these two are in series, and they both of them are in parallel. So first of all we'll add this one, then we'll add this one, and then we'll put the ratios of those resistance. So series, which are in series? 8 plus 9 plus x, as well as 3 plus 5. So 8 plus 9 plus x, that gives you what? 8 plus 9, 17, 17 plus x, and the series, the below one, that is 3 plus 5, that is 8. Now both of them are in parallel, so 1 upon 17 plus x plus 1 upon 8. So Rp is equal to, what you get Rp? Rp you get 136 plus 8x upon 25 plus x. So now cross multiplying, we get the value. So here we get, because already the resistance is given as what? The resistance of the whole thing is given as what? 6 ohm. So here if you see, it is 6. So Rp is given 6. So 6 multiplied by 25 plus x is equal to 136 plus 8x. Then simple calculations and mathematics, you will get x equal to 7 ohm. Same here, same sort of a thing, but you require to first of all work it out with this one, because these are in parallel. In question number 2 of practice problem 3, these are parallel. So 1 upon 6 plus 1 upon x plus 1 upon 2. So you get this part, Rp is equal to 6x upon 4x plus 6, and here this one is in series. So now you add both this Rp and this one R4, both of them is going to be what? Rs, because it is in series connection. So let us move to the further part. So Rs is already given. If you see, the resistance of the whole circuit is given as what? 5 ohm. So it is already given. So 5 ohm is equal to 4 bracket 4x plus 6 plus 6x upon 4x plus 6. Simple mathematics is that. So in this simple mathematics, you find out the value of x. So x is equal to 3 ohm. So this is the way we do the sum. So first of all, you require to find out which one are in parallel and which one are in the series, and then you simplify the whole Rp by taking LCM, find out the Rp along with the Rs, and you find out the unknown resistance of the unknown resistor. Understood? Okay, so this is the end of one type of sum. We'll do the rest in the next episode. I hope you understood the whole series and parallel connection sums and numericals. If you have any problems or any doubt, please let me know, or let me know in the comment box. I will try to explain once again. Thanks very much, and I'll see you in the next episode.